Well, we are on the road post-Christmas. Going to meet up with Uncle Cliff. Didn't get together before Christmas because of the busy holiday season, but I'm on my way to pick up some Christmas cookies. We're going to meet today in West Branch so we can make the exchange from him to me, right? Right. Well, anyway, on the road again after Christmas 2018. Hardly wait. I can already taste it. Okay, there we go. We're meeting Cliff at his dentist, which is kind of ironic, picking up the Christmas cookies at a dentist. Nothing will stop me from Cliff's delicious and Lloyd's delicious Christmas cookies. He'll be here any second, so we're waiting for that. Well, you'll find a lot of the recipes online, I think, at Uncle Cliff's Kitchen, over at his Facebook site too. The link is right here. Okay, all right, we're waiting. Well, here it is, about 10 to 10. Supposed to meet him here at 10. We'll see how it goes. I'm always anxious, always early, especially when it comes to Uncle Cliff's Kitchen and the delicious things that come out of there. He'll be here any minute, any minute. I was in such a rush that I didn't even get a chance to shave this morning. Now, when it comes to cookies at Uncle Cliff's Kitchen, it can't be too early. Gotta make sure you make the exchange and make the appointment. This is the hard part, waiting. I'm waiting. I hope I got the right dentist. Well, it's still early, 5 till 10. 10 o'clock now. Should be coming from that direction? No, I'd say from that direction. I think I just saw him turn down the corner. But of course, there's a lot of vehicles that look like his. Not sure which vehicle he's driving. My battery's running low on my camera, so I'm gonna wait until he gets you, and then we'll continue our little exchange. I think I see him coming in. Let's get this exchange on the move here. Get her completed. All right, I'm excited. Maybe that wasn't him. No, I'm sure it was. There he is, there he is. Oh, yes, Uncle Cliff. There he is, the man of the moment. I hope this battery lasts until... Whoop. Hi guys! Hi Bentley! Hi buddy! Hi! It's in there. I'm gonna thank you guys. I'm gonna open this up and we'll have a little video on here. Oh my goodness! You gave us the whole kitchen here.
That's not even everything.
Really?
There's samples of everything that we did.
Okay. Oh my goodness. I've got it. I'm so anxious. Larry, look at there. He says he's got a sample of everything here. We'll see. We will open it up when we get home. From Uncle Cliff's Kitchen. Okay, here we go. We've got the box. Yes, it's on little Jordan's new toy box. A box in a box. So let's see what's inside here. We'll read that later. Thank you very much. Here we go. In the box from Uncle Cliff's Kitchen. Oh my. Uncle Cliff. Ooh, peanut butter, it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at this. We are going to have a bowl. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. More. Oh, hard candy. Oh, you know, hard candy. The flavoring comes from Loran Oil in Michigan product. Love that. Oh, what is the fudge? Oh, Uncle Cliff, you've gone above and beyond the holiday spirit here. Thank you very. Oh, there's a holiday one. Yeah, I like that. Look at that green. Isn't that nice? Nice color there. You can see Jordan's railroad tracks and his cars scattered throughout the floor underneath the Christmas tree. But anyway, oh my gosh. Thank you, Uncle Cliff. And Uncle Floyd. Look at all these goodies. Oh, what can I say? Except God bless you. Ooh, looks like a fruitcake. Maybe it is. Love fruitcake. It's a special Uncle Cliff's. Look at these. I'll have to... I was going to say I was going to plate these up, but my goodness, look at this. Enough said. Thank you, Cliff. They do this every year, spread the goodness of Christmas, the spirit, in their baking. You can find out more by going to Cliff's site and probably seeing him in action. Oh, what an array. Thank you. God bless. And there you go. That's what's in the box. Oh, I'm going to have to test my taste buds. You take care. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.